This June 2024, experience the beauty and excitement of Niagara Falls like never before, with tours from ToNiagara. Embark on an unforgettable boat cruise with the Voyage to the Falls boat tour. Get ready for the legendary boat ride that takes you right into the very heart of Niagara Falls. Or, enjoy the mesmerizing Falls fireworks cruise, a spectacular evening adventure that lights up the night sky above the falls. For thrill seekers, we offer the Niagara Falls Whirlpool Freedom Jet Dry Tour. If you're up for even more excitement, try the Niagara Falls Whirlpool Wet Jet Tour, an exhilarating journey down the Niagara River rapids that will leave you soaked and smiling. Delve deeper into the wonder of the falls with our Journey Behind the Falls tours. Join the Niagara Tour with Journey Behind the Falls and Skylon Tower for stunning views from above and behind the falls. Or, take the Niagara Falls Walking Tour Journey Behind the Falls for an up-close and personal experience. Prefer a bit of everything? The Niagara Tour Boat Ride Journey Behind the Falls is the perfect mix, offering a comprehensive experience of the falls from multiple perspectives. For a truly spectacular view, soar above the falls with the Niagara Falls Helicopter Tour. Witness the majestic beauty of Niagara from the sky for an unforgettable adventure. Whether you're planning a day trip or an evening escapade, our tours depart from various locations including Toronto, Brampton, Mississauga, Oakville, Milton, Hamilton, Burlington, and Niagara-on-the-Lake. Experience the magic of Niagara Falls with our Niagara Falls day and evening tours. For a more personalized experience, opt for our Niagara Falls Luxury Private Tour. Enjoy the comfort and exclusivity of a private tour tailored to your preferences, departing from the same convenient locations. This June, make memories that will last a lifetime. Join us for an unforgettable journey to Niagara Falls. Book your tour today and let the adventure begin. Don't forget to like and subscribe to ToNiagara for more amazing travel experiences. Until next time, happy travels!